There's an SOS signal.
A signal from the moon! Someone must need us!
Rescue mission! Let's go!
Get ready for the countdown!
I'm a little nervous. 3, 2, 1! Lift off! It's flying so fast!
It's like riding a rocket!
I'm as light as a feather!
This is awesome!
The signal is from behind that rock formation. Let's go! Thank goodness! My communication device is broken!
We're here to help!
Bon, the blue wire is broken!
I'll reconnect it right away.
What the heck? Moonquake! It's almost over!
What's flying?
It's okay, it's cute. It's pointing right to the exposed spot.
Such cute help.
We brought the new battery! Great! Let's install it right away!
Signal sent successfully. Yes! Yes! Thank you, Dust Sprite.
Time to go back to Earth! Preparing to leave orbit!
Bye, Moon. Bye, Moon. Space is so beautiful.
We're awesome!
Thank you, friends. Fly safely. We'll come back to visit.
Prepare for touchdown!
3, 2, 1. We're home! Let's go celebrate! What's falling? Looks like a hologram! Here are some interesting things about the moon.
Sounds exciting.
I've written it all down.
I'll remember everything!
There's a new signal. It's...
Rainbow colored!
That's... Sparkle Planet!
Sounds exciting! New adventure here!
I'll prepare the gear right away.
Engines stable.
Communications are clear.
Bring more food! My bananas are never lacking!
Coordinates are ready. Let's start the ship.
Shall we launch?
Launch! Let's take off again!
Hold on tight, everyone!
We're getting close to the signal source. It's so beautiful.
Hey! It's soft! Must be energy dust. The gravitational pull is too strong!
It's okay. I can stabilize it. Whoa! Whoa! Terribly beautiful. Prepare for landing.
Landing successful!
Let's get out and explore. It sings. Sound vibrations from the crystals. Something is approaching.
Get ready!
Hello. Please. It communicates with colors. So cute I could faint. It says to follow. Hope we reach the signal source. It responds to me. amazing! The signal is right here! Beware of high energy! That door looks a bit creepy.
Let's go for it. It's an adventure.
Let's go! Be careful! Let's go!
This place is so strange, huh?
Not dangerous, just unusual. I'm flying now! Let me spin more. Here, the signal comes from the planet's core. Let's go deeper.
It sounds like music.
It reacts to weight. It's cool like real wind.
It's a current of life energy. Is it gentle?
It looks adorable. It wants to carry us.
This is awesome!
So beautiful, it's breathtaking. Record everything about this scene. Why is it so dark now?
The closer to the core, the more concentrated the light.
We're here!
Let's go. Be a bit careful.
Energy is extremely high, but unstable.
It's like it's leaking.
It's really cracked.
If not fixed, the whole planet will become unstable. It's telling us to fix it right away. Let me check my tools. Hold it steady for me, buddy.
I got it. No worries.
Welding now. Don't let it shake. Stable, keep going.
It's shaking even harder.
Hold on a little longer.
The energy wind is increasing suddenly.
It's okay, I can control it. That's great! It's helping us.
It's stable. Continue.
It's shaking less now.
We're almost done. It's really done.
You guys are so good.
It's completely stable now. That's wonderful.
Are we going that way?
Let's go. It's probably a thank you gift. The energy here is much purer. Looks just like a dream. So many friends.
Adorably cute.
They're thanking us. So beautiful.
What's this for?
It seems to be an energy key. Take the key to restore places in critical danger. You mean there's another mission? There's an energy calling for help. Hid from somewhere else.
More new adventures.
It seems so.
Let's keep going. New adventures await.
Let's go! See you again!
See you again.
Thanks for everything. Remember to keep it safe.
I can keep it.
Who's ready for more adventure?
I'm always ready. Next destination, location unknown.
We have the key. We'll find it. It's showing us the way. Destination, Jaffer Nebula.
This place is so hard to steer. Buddy, come on, buddy. You're good.
The energy here is disrupting the signal.
I'm holding it steady. I'm holding it steady.
Help. Help us. Someone needs help. right ahead.
Coming right away.
It's a tiny planet. Planet! So adorable! Hey!
The ground's so incredibly soft.
Just like a mattress.
Help our energy core! An energy core again. It matches the key signal.
Ha! So we can help.
It's unlocking the energy.
Watch out! It's getting bright.
Saved another planet again!
Mission accomplished perfectly.
Thank you, you all!
We're just happy we could help.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Such a cool gift.
It's reacting strongly. Like it's guiding us further. SOS signal, but very weak.
Where is it?
Area not on the map.
The more mysterious, the more I like it. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Destination?
An unnamed dark region. Sounds so cool.
Should we follow that direction?
Exactly. This place is a bit spooky.
I'm holding the steering wheel tight.
Dark waves! Watch out! They might get stronger!
I'm trying to keep balance.
I see it! There's something! Zoom to see clearer.
Such an old station.
The signal must be from there. Connection complete! Let's go explore!
It's really cold.
The signal is coming from deep inside. Help, please! There's really someone there. Hey, are you okay? Very weak. Needs energy immediately. It is absorbing energy.
Hope it helps.
Thank you so much!
No problem. We're here to save the day.
Station core about to explode!
Huh? Seriously?
Severely cracked, just like the previous planet.
We need to fix it immediately.
To fix it, we have to open the core lid.
Leave that to me. Just a little more. Open now.
You're amazing!
It's completely out of control. We have to use the rainbow key. Prepare to transmit energy.
I've got it steady.
Bringing them together, keep it steady. Synchronizing very well.
It's quieted down.
But it's still not enough. We need the final energy.
Come on, almost done.
Stable? It's stable now.
Station saved!
That's wonderful. The station is alive again. What a relief.
What is the absolute void zone?
It seems. That's where we need to help next. We're leaving now. Good. Good. Luck.
But it's too quiet.
This place, there's no data at all. It's leading the way further in. We're going the right way. Is it okay?
We have to go in there.
Don't be scared. I've got it under control.
Get ready!
It's about to go out completely!
This is the source of the distress call. It wants to merge. Try it.
It's pulling the ship down!
Keep holding. It's almost aligned. Connections are bright. It's super bright.
Amazing!
The most beautiful ever. It's alive again.
We saved the whole region.
There's the exit. Time to go home. We've completed everything.
Everything!
Super awesome mission.
Prepare for touchdown!
Time to head back to base. A long journey, but super fun. Here's one, and there's another.
We're amazing! Amazing!
The two energy sources are safe.
They look like treasures.
Tired, but happy.
What an epic adventure!
Who sent this one?
Let's open it right away.
Thank you, Energy Guardians.
That sounds cool!
We need you in a place far away. A new rescue invitation. Going again?
Let's go! Is this friend ready?
Always, always. The new star system, it's incredibly vast.
The vaster, the
More fun!
countdown time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Have a safe trip.
New mission, here we come!
Proceed straight to the coordinates.
The adventure never ends.
Saving whoever needs us.
Pull it tight!
The journey continues.
Together!